Okay, and welcome to Marty's Electrorails. It's been a long time, hasn't it? It's been about 4 months since I've actually posted anything. So, what to say? I've just done a wee quick video. I haven't done anything on the model railway for well over 4 months. It's due to things like work and just actually having the motivation to do a video. I do enjoy doing these videos, but at the moment I have been doing recordings, but I haven't actually got to the editing stage of them. So I put a wee video together just about how the kind of the model railway has kind of gone into a bit of disrepair because it's just been sitting for 4 months, not getting used at all. In fact, I don't think hardly anybody's actually been in that room, to be honest. So yeah, there was another distraction as I got a 3D printer for my birthday. So I've been also spending a lot of time trying to, any spare time I have, I've been trying to learn basically how to get the best 3D prints and do a wee bit of kind of 3D design. Ideally, it's an FDM printer and I'm mainly printing on PLA. Obviously, scale-wise, detail-wise, it's not exactly great for 00, but still it's unbelievable the things you can actually print off and still get really good results for a 00 railway. There's other things like making brackets up and things like that for things like Arduinos and things like that. So I've been very distracted in kind of designing my own stuff. So saying all that, I do enjoy doing these videos, just haven't got round to doing them. So hopefully in the run up to Christmas I'll be doing a lot more. As you can see here, this is the hopefully the final part. If you've watched any of my videos before, but the design of a small 12-channel DMX desk that's supposed to be control the lighting on the model railway. What I've done here is this was the start of. I have filmed some of this, but this is the start of the dimmer unit. Finally, kind of got it working properly. The only issue that I had was that I had to rewire all of the lights on the model railway, basically. So that was kind of a bit of an issue, and I started to do the rewiring on it, and I just got kind of tedious, and I kind of lost a wee bit of motivation to actually do it. So I've been doing little bits of recording for other things, for some electronic stuff, that kind of thing. But at the moment, I am planning on doing more, as I said, on the run up to Christmas. And this is an ongoing project, and I will get it kind of finalised and done. So I will let you get on with the video. It's just purely showing you how much, a lot of the electronics on the model railway don't work, and the ones that I haven't touched, there are kind of faults turning up in some of the electronics and some of the animations and things like that I've actually created on the board. So basically, to be honest, this will just be me kind of getting the locos, well, but basically the track up and running and some of the electronics on this. So try and enjoy the video. Maybe a cure for insomnia, but yeah, I'll see you at the end of it, hopefully. Okay, welcome to Marty's Electrorails. Right, I haven't been doing videos for at least about 4 or 5 months. I've been trying to record stuff, but just haven't finished off the videos. I haven't really done anything on this model railway at all. It's in a bit of disarray just now, as it's not kind of been touched for about 5 months. Track definitely needs kind of good tidy and clean. All the electronics, well, saying the one running the the graveyard animation, that just seems to randomly come on just now, whenever it feels like it. I was in a part rewire with all the lighting in the building, so with that I started, I'll show you underneath the board, and I was saying the wires underneath are a bit of a mess, to be honest, and I did start rewiring all that, and yeah, I just kind of lost the motivation to do it. So I'm going to try and fix this back up again and get it all up and running, with a couple of added kind of extras to go. Still have the DMX, well, the DMX controller, that's still in production, and that's the connector for the lighting on the board, but I'm having to do a rewire, so I will explain that when I get around to doing it. I said I'm just going to have to go around the track, clean it all up, and get some of the locals up and running. Right, we're going to see if this would whinge in. I've cleaned everything up, hopefully. Can make it from here over to the very far siding. Okay. A wee bit twitchy, but it's going. Well, thanks very much for watching, if you made it this far. I promise my videos will be a lot more interesting than that one. But yeah, thanks very much for watching, and see you soon.